Yo fans, it's me, DadTFP, and I'm with my best bud.
No, yeah, good DFP.
And yo, what we're gonna make here today is a very famous food to eat in Philadelphia, a pretty cool city. What is it?
The Philly cheesesteak.
Well, here you go. First off, look at this cool little map that we put together with some of the trinkets and stuff from our Philadelphia little vacation. Explain some of these things real quick.
Yeah, it shows all the places we went to. Independence Hall.
You got Independence Hall, you got the Liberty Bell, you got Betsy Ross's house, she made the first flag, you got the Philadelphia Mint, you got the City Hall, which is pretty cool. You can go on top of that. The love statue is pretty cool. And then you got the beautiful Philadelphia Museum of Art, which if you look in the lower right corner, it's a statue of one of our favorite guys. It's
Rocky Balboa.
Rocky Balboa right there. And then over here we have our 3D model of Independence Hall. Pretty cool. We got a big one and we got a...
This is the one from the Wellington Press map.
Very cool. All right, now let's get going with the ingredients you need to make a authentic Philly cheesesteak. Yo, Rock, so you gonna explain what all these things are? Like, what we got here. First, you want a good Philly cheesesteak. You need the meat. And so we got some shaved ribeye, shaved steak. We got two different versions. We got a little thick cut ribeye, and we got some real shaved ones. You need a proper roll right here. Here's our nice little Philly cheesesteak rolls we're gonna use. Then, Philly cheesesteak, Philly cheesesteak, Philly. You need the cheese sauce, right? And so to make cheese sauce, we're gonna use some freshly grated mozzarella, a little cheddar, some butter, some flour, a little garlic, and some half and half to get a nice creamy sauce. And we're gonna put it all together. So let's go ahead and start shredding that cheese, and we'll get back to you. All right, so we're gonna get these awesome rolls nice and toasted. So I'm gonna put it in the toaster or in the oven a little bit, spread them out, flip them over, put a little butter on it so it's nice and buttery and takes that sauce extra special. We'll do 8 minutes. All right, now we got the cheese. We're gonna open up this package and start grating some cheese. Yo, start grating some cheese. All right, now we're grating up that cheese. Probably do about, since we're doing 4 sandwiches, we'll probably do about maybe a cup and a half of mozzarella and a couple slices of cheddar. So, what do you think, Rocky? This is a good way to make cheesesteak? Yeah, it's a great cheese sauce. Yo, lots of cheese, very creamy, good. All right, as you can see, there's gonna be 2 slices of cheddar cheese in there to give it some of that nice cheddary flavor. All right, yeah. All right, now we're gonna make the cheese sauce. So we're gonna do 2 tablespoons of butter. Gonna get that nice and melted. Then we're gonna put 2 tablespoons of flour. We're gonna create what they call a roux. So we'll let that melt. So yo, we flipped the bread. This is the other side, get that a little toasted, put it back in there, a couple minutes. As you can see, the butter is melted. Now we're gonna put in the flour, stir it up and get that butter a little brown, or get the flour butter roux nice and brown, get some of that flavor, give us some nice sauce. Let's see. You want that flour to get coated with the butter and get a little color to it. Then we're gonna add a little bit of half and half, stir that up, and get it creamy, and then start putting in the cheese. Not quite toasty enough, right? We want it to be a little toasty to get that kind of nutty flavor going, right?
Yeah.
What do you think, Rocky? You like your cheese sauce like that? Yo, that's the way my buddy Pat's Steaks does it. All right, if you can see the color's changing a little bit. I think it's getting close for us to put in some half and half. Get that.
Rocky, what do you think of this?
Yo, I like a cheesesteak with lots of cheesy stuff. Oh yeah. All right, I think I'm gonna add some more milk and some cheese. So we're gonna let this get hot. Then we add our cheese and we'll have our nice, awesome sauce. All right, now it's time to add in our cheese and start stirring it up. Cheese. It's starting to look good. What do you think?
What do you think, Rocky?
Yo, I like it. I like the little extra color and flavor that this sharp cheddar cheese adds to this cheese sauce. Got a little more milk to get it nice and creamy. Oh yeah, that's getting there.
Does Rocky like this stuff?
Oh yeah. That looks good. Let's add some pink salt.
Himalayan pink salt.
Alright, we're gonna add a little garlic salt. Or garlic powder, I mean.
Rocky, what do you think of this?
Look at this sauce. This cheese look good, Rocky? Yo, it's the best. Look at that. That's gonna look great on our steaks. Sandwiches. Alright, so we're gonna put this to the side and start working on our steak. Alright, so we took the bread out. It's got a little toasty to it. We'll put the cheese on there in the steak and then we'll eat it up. Oh yeah. Sauce looks good. Now we're working on the steak. So we're gonna get that hot. We'll add a little, maybe some olive oil for the steak. Hey Rock, you like olive oil? Yo, I love olive oil. All of us Italians do. All right, so let's see, is it getting hot? Yeah.
That sound.
That's the sound of the Philly steak meat. So we got two different types of this meat. We got the thinner slice and we got the thicker slice. First we're going to go with the thinner slice. Then we'll cook the thicker slice.
Oh, and by the way, Rocky's watching this.
So with this, as long as it's not brown anymore, we're good. We can go ahead and start eating it.
I'm gonna add that one back there.
We'll do that second batch. And we'll salt.
Himalayan pink salt.
So it's getting closer, it's a little browner. We'll make sure everything's completely cooked before we put it on the sandwich. Smells good, right? Oh yeah.
Rocky, what do you think of this?
It looks delish. Alright, I think this is about all the pink is out, so it's nice and brown. So now I'm going to use it, let it warm up a little bit with a utensil since I kind of cooked this raw with this one. And so we're going to let it cook a little longer and we're going to start getting the cheese on the bread.
That cheese looks delish.
It does look good.
Right, bud?
Oh yeah. So I'll set this aside for a minute. All right, so here's our first sandwich we're gonna make. So first we're gonna put some cheese sauce on there. I know what you're thinking. Lots of cheese sauce, right? Is that enough, you think, or more?
Not sure. Rocky, what do you think? How much do you think should be on here?
That looks like about the right amount of cheese sauce, yo. Yo, cheese sauce, I ate it. Oh, yeah. Sandwich number 1.
That looks delish.
Sandwich number 2.
We're gonna do the other two off camera, but you can,
Alright, well here you guys go. Here's our Rocky style Philly cheesesteak.
we're gonna show the other ones.
Alright, our last sandwich.
We don't have as much steak.
So we'll put some of those, the first couple sandwiches are a little too much steak, right?
Yeah. Maybe we should split the steak here into 4 even pieces so we can have even amounts of steak in each one.
Yep. Take a bunch from here, a little scoop from there, and I think we have just about have it, right?
Yeah.
And you got it. There is our 4 Philly cheesesteaks. Thanks for watching. Comment,
Oh,
subscribe.
what does Rocky want to say?
Yo, time to eat.
Do you want to eat a little bite of it?
Oh no. Alright, well thanks for watching, guys.
Rocky, what does Rocky want to think with this?
Yo, the only thing better than raw eggs for breakfast is Philly cheesesteaks for dinner. Thanks for watching, guys. Comment, subscribe down below. Bye-bye.
Thanks for watching.
Bye-bye.